Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for you and it's my very first unboxing for May and it is Glossybox. It says perfectly imperfect on the front there. So if you're new to Glossybox and you want to learn a little bit more about the subscription, then carry on watching. But as always, if you've heard it all before and you're just curious in seeing what's inside this month's box, then you'll find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. This box was kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. If you sign up now, then with your first box, which is £13.25 and that includes shipping, you'll receive a free mystery beauty box if you use code FREEBOX. I'll pop all links and codes down below in my description, so underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So this is Glossybox UK. There are other Glossyboxes around, but what you've seen in this video is solely for the UK, and it contains 5 beauty treats. Sometimes we get the odd freebie in there as well. If you opt for a monthly rolling subscription, it'll cost you £13.25 and you can cancel any month, but they also offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost. They bring out limited edition boxes frequently, and there's some discounted ones on their website currently, which I'll pop down below, and there is news that they are bringing out a generation Glossybox very soon in the next week or two, and these generation boxes are aimed for younger ones, teens. So my 15, nearly 16-year-old daughter absolutely loves them. They're jam-packed full of products for around £15 if you are a subscriber, and I believe if you're not a subscriber they're about £20, £25. So yeah, definitely worth checking out. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If there's anything I've missed out, then please ask away. But let's get on to showing you what's inside this month's box. It's a mirror. It says, "You are beautiful." How weird! I didn't even know. Look, I'm just peeling off the cellophane. They say hi to my camera. Wow. Oh, that's good. It's a really nice mirror as well. It's really clear. It's not distorted, you know? Yeah, bit different. And I've got some stickers. Some of them are in a different language. I think it's German. I'll show you because I am not familiar with German, but it could be something else. I'm not sure, but we've got some stickers there. Next up, we've got a little card. There's a QR code there, which I will scan, and it'll just give me some extra information about the products in the box. I'll just give you a little quick sneak peek first. So there's that. On the email that I was sent, it looks like everyone receives the same. There's a glossy magazine there. Forget beauty ideals. We want you to truly feel wonderful in your own skin and embrace every little bit of yourselves, from the parts you adore to the imperfections you may not always feel so thrilled about. So to help you embrace your stunning self, this month we created an edit of products that champion this positive outlook. This is not until the end of next month, 30th of June, but we've got a Glossybox summer bag. They always bring out like a summer edition, limited edition box, but this time it's a bag and I absolutely love these. It's by the Flat Lay Company. Hopefully you'll be able to see there. So we'll be getting beauty products in one of these bags. Oh, brilliant. Okay. Even though I've already got 2 of them. But I do really like them, they're just handy. Oh, we've got a Father's Day is coming up as well, so there's a grooming box coming. Does it say when? 3rd of June for that one. And next month then, it's Summer Rendezvous. In every box we'll receive a shea butter hand cream from L'Occitane. You see it on the bottom there, so everyone will receive one of those. So let's get on to picking out the first item in the box, which is Daily Concepts Daily Round Silicone Scrubber, long lasting, 100% silicone, and yeah, it's to do all over your body, I'm guessing, just to lift off any dead skin cells and prep for tan or something like that. Actually, my arms feel quite nice. It's really soft, so it's not going to be too harsh on your skin. So looking at the information on my phone, this is full size and it retails for £16. It says, "We couldn't give you a gorgeous body scrub without giving you a super handy body scrubber." Okay then, I should have gone for the body scrub first. Never mind. To use it with, pair the silicone tool with your Mind Hand scrub to not only gently exfoliate the skin, but to also allow yourself to enjoy the feeling of a massage. So that's the first item in the box. And this is the Mind Hand scrub. We've got a little pouch here. It says exfoliating scrub for buttery smooth soft skin, and this is a coffee scrub. So super messy, but they really work. They really, really work. But yeah, you can clean your shower as you're cleaning yourself. So this is Deluxe Mini and it's worth £9.95. The full size, 200 grams, would cost you £12.95. That's a bit weird, isn't it? 30 grams would cost you £10. 200 grams would cost you £13. Wow. Okay, exfoliate and revitalise your skin with a full body caffeine kick. Buff off freshly ground coffee to smooth your skin and target unwanted dry skin too. Enrich with ultra hydrating sweet almond and macadamia oils. Your skin will be left feeling oh so buttery smooth, soft and glowing. Yeah. To use with the massaging exfoliating pad from Daily Concepts, that's the one. Next, we've got Grace and Stella, Everything is Better in Pink, Collagen Boosting Eye Masks. And there's a set of 2 there. You can purchase these for £3. Focused on firming and hydrating the under eyes, these pretty pink eye patches draw in moisture to even the deepest layers of your skin. Powerful antioxidants help protect skin from blue light exposure, while other key ingredients help maintain healthy blood circulation and strengthen capillaries. Bye bye dark circles. It's got some eye masks. Next, and I think this was our sneak peek from last month, this is We're Blushing, a creamy blush stick by Sophia and Mabel. It's in shade Blossoming. Yeah. Okay. It's a coral, like a peachy orangey pink with a little bit of a shimmer in there. Let's blend it in. It blends away nicely, but you do have to rub it a bit, so I would use a brush or beauty blending sponge and apply it that way with a brush or sponge instead, so then you've just got more control and you're not at risk of dragging off any makeup you've got underneath. This is full size and it retails for £13. Add a beautiful pink tone to your cheeks with this creamy stick blush in stunning shade Blossoming. It's perfect for all occasions. We love it so much, we're blushing. So you've got a blush there. Then lastly, we've got a product by Balance Me. This is a BHA exfoliating concentrate. 30 mils there. I have probably tried this before, but I can't remember. We get a lot of Balance Me in beauty subscription boxes, including Glossybox, and I might have had this before. I can't remember what it's like, so I can't tell you about it really. This is Deluxe Mini and it's worth £10. To buy the full size 180 mils, it will cost you £26. Further love the skin you're in with this BHA exfoliating concentrate, aiding you in removing dead skin cells, battling blemishes and improving hydration. Rich in salicylic acid, it's fast acting, fast absorbing and will reveal healthy radiant layers of skin. So there you go. So those are all the products inside this month's Glossybox. I'll just gather them all up and I'll add them all up and I'll be back. We've got a Daily Concepts Daily Round and an exfoliating pad. We've got Grace and Stella Collagen Eye Masks. We've got a Mind Tan Coffee Scrub, an exfoliator for your body. We've got a Balance Me BHA Exfoliating Concentrate. And lastly, a stick blush in Blossoming by Sophie and Mabel. Plus we've got some stickers and we've got a mirror. So looking at the products inside this month's box, there's a lot of exfoliation, lots of getting rid of your dead skin cells, getting rid of layers and layers of yourself. So handy to put in my shower and I will use it. I really like that there's a little loop on the back so I'm able to grip it properly. I've tried this scrub a few times. It's lovely. It is really nice. It leaves my skin feeling gorgeous, but it's messy. It is really messy. And in all honesty, I tend to grab other exfoliators before I grab these. And I do have quite a few of them stored in my little beauty room. So yeah, I'm not short of them then because we do seem to get quite a lot of them in different boxes. Same with this, but I like the fact that it's a collagen one. So collagen, I'm all for. So I'll be popping that in a little skincare fridge that I share with my daughter. Really like this stick blush, really pretty colour, love the design, the packaging, etc. But yeah, I would apply it with a brush or a more like a beauty blending sponge, I think, just for better application and blendability on the skin. But yeah, the colour's really pretty. It's great the fact it contains salicylic acid. It's a leave-on exfoliating treatment, so you can apply it, then your serums, moisturisers, SPF, etc. So I like that about it. Can't remember what my thoughts are on this particular one, but yeah, nothing new really there. It's an okay box this month, nothing wow. It's definitely worth £13.25. The actual value comes to £53, so way above what you pay, but I think it's because we've seen these brands in Glossybox before. Not so much the brands, but the products. They don't seem different, they don't seem new. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Are you a subscriber? Have you received your box yet? Or are you watching this wondering, shall I, shan't I? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Bye.